The first time I saw the composting toilet open. Have you used these?
Yeah, they're usually open.
Does it smell in these?
Never does.
Never does.
No. No, it's wonderful compared to the old Johnny flats that they used to have.
And what about washing your hands or something? There's no water in there? Or...
What's nice is there aren't any real actual handles as you exit, but they do have the Purell in there, which is usually full most times. I like that much better anyway.
It's just a toilet seat under there. Are you
Right.
ever afraid of like just dropping something down under?
I always make sure my cell phone is in a zip pocket. Yeah.
Enjoy your walk in the woods.
Thank you.
Okay.